Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can rename a file using the Files app in Chromebook. So what you need to do is you have to open the Files app. You can click the launcher menu and then open Files. And after that, you want to navigate to the file that you want to rename. So by default, there are multiple folders in this Files app in Chromebook, but I'm going to rename a file that is stored in the Downloads folder. I'm going to click on it. And this is the item that I want to rename. This is actually a picture. It has a JPEG image, and I want to rename this file into something else. So what you need to do is you have to right click and then click rename. And then here you can give a new name for this file. I'm going to call this one wallpaper and hit enter on the keyboard. Now it is worth mentioning that you have to be careful when renaming the file. You might have noticed that there is a JPEG file extension, and even though we can change that, it is not something that you might want to do, because if you, let's say you change the format into, let's say this is JPEG, which is an image format. If I replace it to PNG, it is not going to be work. Or maybe it's going to work, but there are some formats that are not interchangeable. So for example, if I rename it to .pdf, or maybe let's try something like .mp4, which is definitely not an image format, this is not going to be played. So if I open the file, there's nothing, because it is not an image format. It is not a video format. It was an image file, and that's why you have to be careful at renaming files in Chromebook. I'm going to turn it back to JPEG, and it's really simple. If there's a problem like that, you can also go back and rename the file to the accurate or to the actual original format of the file. Now you might have a question: can you rename multiple files together? Well, right now on Chromebook, we cannot rename multiple files together, unlike in Windows where we can rename multiple files and the system will automatically assign number to each file, so every file will be unique. But in Chromebook, unfortunately, it is not available, but maybe they're going to implement that feature in the future. So there you go. That's how you can rename a file in Chromebook using the Files app. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.